Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abrasive. It is pronounced a-bray-sive and spelt A-B-R-A-S-I-V-E. Think ab, ray, and then sieve. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Abrasive is an adjective that means showing little concern for the feelings of others. Harsh. It can also be used to describe a substance used for grinding, polishing, or cleaning a hard surface. For example, you could say, his abrasive remarks hurt her feelings. Or, sandpaper is an abrasive material used to smooth wood. In the story of The Princess and the Pea, the princess is bothered by the abrasive feeling of a single pea hidden beneath her mattress, showcasing her refined sensitivity. Synonyms for abrasive include harsh, rough, grating, or irritating. Antonyms for abrasive include gentle, smooth, soothing, and kind. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, abrasive. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.